as far as the TMC is concerned. A TMC MP is challenging the Lok Sabha expulsion in court. In fact, Mahua Moitra is now approaching the Supreme Court over her expulsion. The Trinamool Congress leader, Mahua Moitra, was on Friday expelled from the Lok Sabha. This was on the recommendation of the Ethics Committee report in the cash for query row that was tabled in the lower house. And now breaking news coming in, Mahua Moitra is going to approach the Supreme Court over her expulsion. Sunil Prabhu joining us with the latest details. Sunil, what details can you report as we speak?
Well, as you're well aware, last Friday, Mahua Moitra was expelled from the Parliament and she had made a very categorical statement at that time saying that this was kangaroo justice. The principles of natural justice were not followed. We heard the opposition members at that time say very categorically that, that entire procedure that is required, which are principles of natural justice that have to be accorded in the rule of law, were not followed. But the Parliament, in its wisdom, decided to go ahead and expel Mahua Moitra. She has now moved the Supreme Court to challenge this entire judgment. There have been precedents before. In 2005, when 10 members were expelled at that time, the Supreme Court had delivered a judgment after issuing notices to the Speaker, who refused to take it at that time and be a party, but the government helped in adjudicating this entire matter. And at that stage, it had upheld the decision of this Parliament to expel those members of Parliament. This time round, we'll have to wait and see what exactly happens. There has been a precedent, but nevertheless, as we've been saying, Mahua Moitra is taking the natural principle of saying that her, principles of natural justice not being followed, that she would have to challenge that decision of the Lok Sabha in the Supreme Court.
Thanks so much, Sunil, for joining us with the latest details on